Kindly like, subscribe, and share the video.
Welcome everyone to Digitest online training. I am by name Adebayo Oluwaseun. So in our graphic design training, we'll be considering color combination. Before I dive into this training, what I want to simply say is that we are just going straight to the point. That's number one. And also we are going to give you sheet code on how to use color, proper color combination. Sheet code, easy way, very straightforward way on how you can use colors to design an amazing graphics logo for your brand or for anything you want to design. And from my observation from so many of my students I've been trained, I think close to about 10,000 or more, this is what I've observed in their design. I discovered that they make a lot of error in the color combination. It has been a great issue. That's why I have to just put this together to guide, to help those listening or watching this video right now. And if you're watching on YouTube, if you're here to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe and give a comment. So here we have been able to research and have gotten about 33 color combinations that you can use for your next design. So I believe you can see different color combination. So I'm just going to scroll up. Let me find the design I like here. Okay, look at this design. This one, that's number 3. That's yellow, magnet, cyanide, and black. Look at that color combination. So if you want to make a design, all you need to do is to look for appropriate color combination before you proceed with your design. That is one of the background thing you need to do before you go into your Canva, into your Pixel Lab to say, okay, I want to design this, I want to design that. You need to settle down and have a kind of conclusion on the color combination you want to use. Here we have 33 color combination. You can go over here to simplify your process of designing and choose the right color combination for yourself. Now from here we have what is called X code, HES code. Can you see around here? Can you see? Can you see the code here? Okay, let me highlight around here. Around here. So that's the code. So these are the codes that you will be using in your design. It contains the color combination we have here, here, and here. And if you want to make your design, those are the colors that you will be using in your design to give you an amazing look. If you look at this, is it not amazing? It's amazing. That means these colors work together. And if you want to design something like this, can you see? This is amazing. And you see the ESA code there. Can you see? So I'm going to be telling you how to use this ESA code. So if you want to make your design, the first thing you need to do is to copy. You do what? You copy the ESA code, ES code. Okay, the one we are using, I've already copied it. So let me just show you where I actually put the code. I've copied it from the website. Okay, so this is the code here. So what I need to do here is to just copy it out. The same thing you do, you copy it maybe in your notes. Okay, let me copy this. And you need to know what each code stands for, the color that each code stands for. Then I will go to my Pixel Lab. So I'm going to start afresh. Okay. So the first thing I need to do here is to change the background. So let's assume I want to use a blue background. Okay, let's come to the background section. In our earlier video, you know how to select this. Then you come to the color section. Then gradient, you choose color. Then you click on the plus sign. Can you see the plus sign? Then you come up to the top here. Can you see? Then you click. Then look at the X. And you discover that at the end of the S code, there is this hash. That means you are not copying the hash with the code you are copying. You are only copying the 6 digits in front. So I'm going to clear this. And I'm going to paste. Can you see? Then you apply. Look at apply here. Then to give you a preview of the color. That's yellow color. Then click OK. Then click OK again. Can you see? So let's assume I want to start my design like this. That is the yellow background I want to use. Then I can, okay, let's put it here. Then if I want to add a text, then click text. So out of the, okay, let's go back to our color combination. So I've used the first one, which is yellow. Then the second one, which is I think pink or margaret. So let's assume is the one I want to use for the next text. So let me edit the text. Let me just put digitext. Text. Okay. Then I'll go scroll down to color section. And I make sure it's color. I click the plus sign. And I'll click here to edit the code. And I'll put the color combination I want to use. So, okay, let me see. Okay, this is the second color combination here in my clipboard. Then here, can you see? Then I will. Then okay again. Can you see? It goes together. Then I can now start designing what I want to design. I believe you now understand how to copy your color code and how to work with your color combination in your design, so that by the time you are done with your design, your work will be clean, will be clear. There's no color riot, there's no color problem with your design.
Kindly like, subscribe, and share the video.